Breaking news.
Breaking news.
Breaking news.
Famine has been declared in Gaza City.
The United Nations
Has officially declared
famine in Gaza.
1 million people who are facing, quote, starvation, destitution, and death.
There is indeed famine in Gaza City.
This is irrefutable testimony. It is a famine. The Gaza famine. It is a famine that we could have prevented if we had been allowed. Yet food stacks up at borders because of systematic obstruction by Israel. It is a famine within a few hundred meters of food in a fertile land. It is a famine that hits the most vulnerable first, each with a name, each with a story, that strips people of dignity before it strips them of life, that forces a parent to choose which child to feed. It is a famine in 2025, a 21st century famine, watched over by drones and the most advanced military technology in history. Prime Minister Netanyahu, enough. For humanity's sake, let us in.